There's a specific type of post for questions in the community. Naturally, you can add a title to the questions and such, and you can also add an in-depth, detailed explanation, making it easier for your community members to see or understand what the question is about. Once a question is published, you can access the question by clicking on it and start writing an answer. What's unique about this type of post is that once you have the correct answer to the question, you can validate that answer, which will not only highlight the answer as such, but it will also place the answer at the very top of the thread, just below the actual question. This will make it very easy for everyone to see that this is a question, and here you have the correct answer to the question. So you don't have to scroll through endless replies to the questions in order to find the correct answer. Once the answer is validated, the post as such will highlight in green.